video, another vlog. So this vlog is gonna be all girl edition. So first we're gonna get our hair done. Not my hair done, but they're gonna do like a little maintenance on my hair, just because I feel like I get it like every year, and it's already been a year since the last time I went, and my hair really needs a trim just to keep it healthy and get rid of that like bad split ends. I don't think I have them that bad, but either way it will help my hair so much. The place that I always do my hair is Ulta, so let's go. Okay, we're gonna get a little snack for the road. It's fine. No, you're good. Thank you.
No, they're candy.
Ladies, we made it. Babe, take care. Don't be bad while I'm gone.
Never.
We'll be back, ladies, and I'll show you guys a before and after. But you girls are gonna go with me too, so no worries.
You have my card?
Yeah. Lady, she said she's gonna be another 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna walk around, which I don't mind because I get to look at a lot of stuff. Oh, look at all the skincare they have here. Hydro Boost. I've heard about this one, but I don't know if it's good or not. Let's look at these. Just a little before. Yes, I do. Hi girls, so it's a few days later and I'm uploading the video right now, but I just noticed that I wasn't recording myself explaining to you girls what happened at Ulta. So I went that night, got my hair cut. They were already closing. I was a little bit late, and it was not the girls' fault, just like an FYI, like maybe I didn't explain myself correctly and they were already closing. I left with my hair wet, so I couldn't really tell like how my haircut looked because she didn't style it, which is fine because that's what I told her. It's fine, don't style it. And I went home. Then once it started drying off, my mom and my husband, they're like, it looks the same, like it's straight. I was like, oh, I asked for layers. So they're like, well, try calling back the next day. So I did, and I talked to the manager and everything, and I was like, you know what, I don't want to get the girl in trouble at all. Like, I love the girl. She also had 2 kids like my boys' age, so I love the girl. But they're like, don't worry about it, it happens, like, you know, it's just one of those things that we're all like humans and we all make mistakes, whatever, it's fine. And I was like, yes, maybe I didn't explain myself good to her, but anyways, everything was good. We were all in good terms, and then they fixed my hair, so I ended up with this, and it looks beautiful. It's just that I love to have curtain bangs because it's the only thing that gives my hair a little bit of volume, as you can see here, because my hair is really flat and straight, and I know a lot of you girls would love to have straight hair, and it's like, I don't know, and I would love to have curly hair. Like, that's like one of my biggest things. I always want to do curls and stuff, but yeah, so I'm here watching the boys. But anyways, I'm gonna insert that and keep on watching. But anyways, girls, that was the story that I had to tell you all in the video that I thought I was recording, but I guess I didn't record it. So I was like, wait a minute, there's like a missing piece in this vlog. So I just had to record it right now, and I'm gonna upload it and post it for you girls. So keep on watching, and I hope you all enjoyed the rest of the video. Wow, you never saw it. Hey guys, so I got my hair cut. They just cut my bangs a little bit more and a little bit of layers. We are at Best Buy now, and after this we're gonna go pick up the truck, I believe. But here we are looking at cameras. We love looking at cameras. I bought you something, you already had it. And he surprised me with something so cute, but I already had it. so we came to return it. What is this? Smart glass?
Oh, they got the camera.
Smart glasses. What? What are those? I've never seen this.
I got a big head though.
Oh my gosh, let me see.
No, they have a camera.
Hi ladies, I left my camera at home, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I got at Sam's Club, but I got these little Lucas. Then I got corn juices. This is our favorite body wash. It leaves your skin so smooth. So we just always go on that. And then I got some of these. I always like separate it and like freeze them and then use them. These two, we love these, but only the turkey franks. Then I got my husband these work pants for the cold. And then we're gonna try this. It's like a new plate at Sam's Club. It's sirloin tips with mashed potatoes. Sorry girls, my GoPro also ran out of battery, but like I said, I also got these mixed variety cookies, and then that. What else do we get? Ladies, the fridge is restocked again, so we're good for a few days. And I ended up putting the cookies in here, super aesthetic. Hi ladies, welcome back to the next day with our maintenance vlog. So hi ladies, so let's keep this maintenance vlog going. So here is my little nail inspo. I don't know if you girls can see, but I'm trying to go for acrylic, same length I think, and then I'm just gonna choose something like brown or like glazed, something like that. Maybe I'll do chrome, I don't know. I'm just going for something like that, and we'll see what the outcome looks like. But this is a before, and I'm gonna take you girls in there with me. It's my first time coming to the salon actually, so I'll let you girls know how it is. It looks beautiful in the pictures and everything. It's just that the people that I always go with, they're closed today, and my refill is like, I've already like extended the refill for a while now, and I'm just like, I can't wait. And they don't have an available appointment until like next week, which is like 7-8 days. So let's go. Ladies, look at all the colors that they have. They're so beautiful. I don't know what to get. So we have like this brown. Maybe that look good. Or something like this. Is that too brown? This is the before. And here are the colors that I have so far. I don't know which one to pick. I have these three. We'll see which one looks better on my skin in a little bit. But I think I'm gonna go with something like this. You can see it in the light better. So nice. Ladies, it's been such a great time, but you girls know that taking care of your hair, nails, and all that takes time, and it is draining honestly sometimes because it takes a while. I've been here almost an hour and a half, but they already finished my nails. This is the color that I went for. It's beautiful, it's perfect, it's screaming fall. And now I'm just relaxing with a little warm towel. And this is what it looks like. The place is beautiful, by the way. It's just super chill vibes. And that's it. Ladies, that was it for this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed. And what are we thinking about this color? I feel like I'm just like, I like it, then I don't. Because it's like super dark. And I went from like a nude to a super dark. So I feel like I don't know, yes, no. I keep looking that way because the camera that I have has a little flip camera, so I can see myself over there, but I'm supposed to be looking this way. So confused. So that was it. And on my toes I got no color, just summer's over, so I just got a little pedicure and that was it, ladies. What do we think about my haircut as well? It was just a little trim, nothing crazy. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you click the subscribe button, that way you get notified every single time I upload a video, and it helps us grow as a little family. As soon as we hit 1,000 followers, I'm gonna have a little giveaway that you guys can choose. So start commenting down below to see what you guys want to win on this giveaway. I'll see you girls on the next one. Bye.